Hey guys, it's Jax here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to play and install Minecraft. Now the first thing we're going to do is open up our web browser of our choice and go to minecraft.net, which is the official Minecraft website. Make sure you spell it correctly and then hit enter. The link for this website will be in the description down below as well. Then once you are on this website, click on the Get Minecraft button here. It is the big green button, and you just want to click on this. It should redirect you to a page that looks like this. Now you need to select what you are playing on. Now if you were getting Java, you need to select the computer because you can only play Java on your computer, and this computer includes things like laptops and desktops, as well as things like a Surface Pro. And then the others are mobile console, and then others, which is like something like a Nintendo Switch maybe. So let's select computer because that's what I'm playing on. Then select the platform. Now I'm playing on Windows. I can clearly see that by seeing the little Windows icon in this bottom corner of my screen. Some people are going to be playing on Mac, a few people are going to be playing on Linux, but select your operating system. I'm playing on PC or Windows. So here we can select our edition. So we have the Java edition on the left here, and then the Bedrock or Windows 10 edition on the right. Now, the Windows 10 edition, like I stated earlier, is the Bedrock edition of Minecraft, but I'm going to be selecting the Java edition because I want to play the Java version of Minecraft on my Windows 10 PC. Now, I do own and play both Java and Bedrock, but one of the things I love about Java is the limited amount of microtransactions. This means you can get a load of skins, resource packs, shader packs, mods, and maps for free. As well as that, Java is open source, so you can get into the back end of the game that allows you to mod your own world and even add some new weapons and swords and all sorts of cool things. So I'm selecting the Java edition. It's going to redirect you to here, which is where you can buy your game. So on this page here, it gives you two options. It gives you the option to buy Minecraft for $35. Now this is Australian, so this is the Australian currency. This could be different for you depending on your country or location. It could be in USD, etc. And it also gives you the join for $1 for the first month with Game Pass. Now this price does go up to $11 USD after the first month, so you can join it for the first month and then maybe buy Minecraft after you've tried it. But I'm just going to buy Minecraft, so I'm going to click on this button here. Now we need to sign into a Microsoft account. Now if you already have one, you can sign in here. If not, you can create one just by clicking this button here. So my account has officially been created, and once you've created your account, you should get loaded onto a screen that looks like this. Now this is where you're going to type your Microsoft gamertag. This is not your Java username. This is a separate gamertag that will appear on something like the Microsoft Store, but your username in Java is going to be different, so you can have this as whatever you like. And then you can choose whatever icon you want. Then once you've done that, hit let's go. Super simple. Now it's going to load onto a page like this, and you're going to have to fill out your payment information. Now just a heads up, some cards do require authorization for overseas transactions, and Mojang are in Sweden. So go ahead and fill out all of this information, and then I'll see you guys back to install Minecraft. Now go back to the home page of Minecraft by going back to minecraft.net and log into your account. Then click Get Minecraft again. Then click Computer. Then click PC or whatever one you selected before. Then click Java like this. And then click this here. The already owned Minecraft, download it again. And there should be a download button here because you own it. So now click on this. And you can download it for Windows 10 or 11, or if you need a different flavor or a different operating system, update of an operating system, for example, Windows 7 or 8, you can click over here. But if you are on your latest Windows, click on this button here and click Save. Now open this installer, and then click I have read, and then you want to click Install. Now that it's downloaded, you should see a big Let's Go button down the bottom here, and then you just want to click on that, and it should just do this and open up Minecraft. It will have this Minecraft updater, updating launcher, and downloading updating files, downloading update files, and then you will see the launcher up here. Now here is where you log into your Minecraft account. Now you want to log into your Microsoft login by clicking on this, and then logging in using your details. Once you log in, it should load like this, and then it should redirect you back to the home sort of a launcher screen, which will look like this. To play Minecraft, all you have to do is hit that big green play button here. Now, you will have 1.18.1 latest release, or the latest release, which could be 1.19 by the time you're watching this. But if you do want to go back in installations or get access to snapshots, which are sort of beta installations for future upcoming updates, click on this installations tab here, select new installation, and then click up here, and then you can choose whatever version you want. And that's one of the great things about Java here. You can go back as far as you want. You can go all the way back into the alpha stages of Minecraft. But remember, going back this far can cause some issues. So when you are doing this and going far back, create a new world. Don't try and load onto your old world with an older sort of release, or even a newer release than the one that you have, unless it has been tested by Mojang. So you can select the installation that you want, then hit create. Once you've hit create, you can go back to play, and then as you can see, I've got loads of installations here. You can go ahead and find your installation that you want to play and select it. Now, if you do want to get access to snapshots, you need to make sure you have this ticked as well as modded. So as you can see, if I untick this, a lot of my installations go away because they're modded. And if I untick this snapshot one, even more go away. So we want to make sure both of these are ticked. All of them, really. If you are interested in modding your Minecraft and installing something like Optifine or Forge, check out the video. The description for that will be the link for that will be in the description down below. But either way, let's click play on Minecraft and make our first single player world. Now you want to click on single player here. Now I've got a few worlds created here, but when you click on single player, it should give you a screen like this. Here's where you get your options. Now, my first world when I started playing Minecraft was in creative, so I could learn the controls. But you can start it in survival or even hardcore if you really want a challenge, but I do not suggest starting in hardcore, as it is very hardcore. So I'm going to create a creative world, and then you can name this whatever you want. Set the difficulty. Peaceful, there are no mobs. Easy, there are mobs and you get hunger. And as you go up them, there are more mobs and they do more damage, etc. But I'm going to start off as peaceful, and then you can click create new world. Now this is a single player world. You will not be able to play with friends on this world unless they are connected to your network directly via Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. And that's when you can open your world to LAN. I'll show you how to do that once this is loaded. So now you're on your single player world. You can get Minecrafting. But if you do want to invite your friend who is connected to the same network as you, so say he's over at your house or they're over at your house, you can click escape and open to LAN. And then you can make it survival, cheats on or off, and then click start LAN world. And they should be able to connect directly to you just by going into the multiplayer section and scrolling all the way down to the bottom. To join a multiplayer server, you want to come back to the title screen. You can do this by hitting escape, then hitting back to title screen. You want to click on multiplayer here, then select add server. Then once you've done this, you can type whatever you want in the server name up here. For example, I'm going to be joining Hypixel, so I'm going to type in that. And then you want to get the server address for the server you're joining. Now most server addresses look something like this: play.hypixel.com or .net. This is Hypixel. This is one of my favorite Minecraft servers to play on, other than my Patreon server. If you're looking for a family-friendly space to play Minecraft, check out my Patreon. Link for that will be in the description down below. But now that we've got this, and I know that server address is 100% correct because it has to be correct for you to connect to the server, click Done, then scroll all the way down to the bottom, or if you've got no servers, it should be at the top, and double-click on the server to join. Then once you have loaded in, you will notice that you are on a world with loads of other players. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and remember to subscribe if you're new, if this tutorial helped you install and play Minecraft, and I'll see you guys later. And remember, stay carbonated.